Hey guys, what's up? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to be talking about this two new devices coming out to MetroPCS very soon. The first one I have more information on, and then the second one I will talk about I don't have that much information on, but this does come from a credible source. So shout out to the Magic Tech Review Ninja that gave this information to me. So this one is called the Metro Smart Ride. The official launch is on Friday, August 31st. And it's going to be going for $79 after instant rebate from the $119. It's a kind of like a weird type device that's going to be going into your car, apparently. It says now you can stay connected to your car from afar. Metro Smart Ride gives you peace of mind that your vehicle are safe and you're covered if anything happens while you're on the road. So I don't know exactly what this is going to be, exactly what this is going to entail, but apparently it's going to stick somewhere into your car, probably one of the ports or whatever, and it's going to be able to, I don't know. I'm really kind of at a loss for words for this thing, but maybe it's going to have you stay connected, and it's going to, you know, just in case of a vehicle crash or something happens, you know, you might be able to make a call or, you know, receive some emergency services, whatever the case may be. So we will learn some more information as it comes along. And then the second device, guys, that's coming to MetroPCS, this is breaking news, of course, is the Motorola E5 Play that's going to be coming. So Motorola E5 Play is going to be coming to MetroPCS very soon. I was advised about this. So two new devices, guys, right here on the Magic Tech Review channel. So keep it locked. Go ahead and leave a like. If you enjoy the content, go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below what you think about these two new devices. And yeah, guys, like I said, man, keep it locked. Go ahead and ding that bell so you guys can get notified of all the new information. I got Cricket information coming, got MetroPCS information coming, and all prepaid phone news as well. So yeah, thanks guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye now.